Hello guys, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you when your iPhone is in recovery mode and won't restore. How to fix it. For most people who met this issue, they may probably using iTunes to restore or update their iPhone, but somehow just stuck when the process is running. How to make it? Will you lose all the data if it won't restore forever? No worries. Here I am, to make this tutorial to show you the top 3 ways to fix this issue. And you don't even need to go to Apple Store to get shit down during quarantine. You can fix it by your own. Now let's get started. The first way that's simply and worth to try is to force restart your iPhone. I'll take iPhone 12 as an example. You can check out this video to find out the way that suits your iPhone. So to force restart an iPhone 12 is to press and release the volume up. Then press and release the volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Now let's get started. Volume up, volume down, and hold the side button. Lose your finger when you see the Apple logo. But sometimes this method may not 100% work. Then here comes the second method, to fix the issue with one click. Yes, you heard me right. There is such a tool that can help you exit recovery mode just with one click. That is Tenorshare ReiBoot, which can also fix more than 150 iOS stuck. You can download it via the link in description below if you have interests. Once downloaded, launch it. Here I suggest you to use the Apple original lightning cable to connect your iPhone to the computer for a more stable connection. On ReiBoot, it shows that your iPhone is connected now. To exit restore screen is very easy. On the bottom right corner, click on Exit Recovery Mode. And boom! Just a few seconds, your iPhone will be saved and become normal again. If you try this method, but your iPhone still won't restore and stuck on the screen, don't be panicked. ReiBoot can also help. Use repair function. Let's go back to ReiBoot. And this time, click on the green start button. Here, as you can see, you can select the way you want to repair your device. If you choose Deep Repair, it will erase all the data on your phone, so definitely I'll recommend you to choose Standard Repair to fix it first. Once you confirmed, click on Standard Repair button. Hit download to get the latest firmware of your iPhone. Once downloaded, click on Start Standard Repair button. It usually takes you about 10 minutes to complete the process, so please be patient and keep your iPhone connecting while repairing. When it shows standard repair completed, that means your iPhone has been fixed successfully. Let's check it out. And yes, all the data are still on your iPhone. Congratulations! So I guess after watching this video, you've already known how to fix your iPhone won't restore in recovery mode. If any of the methods I mentioned helps, don't forget to give us a thumb up. And once again, if you have any problems about iPhone or iPad stuck issues, please leave your comments below to let us know. I'll produce more tutorials if you guys have the same problem. Subscribe us. And stay tuned for our next video.